You see that gorgeous big tree? I just climbed that tree. It looks so easy, but when you actually try to climb it, it's not. And then it's even harder to get off. But I look at this tree, I say, okay, there's no way I can resist not climbing. It looks so easy. But I set up the I set up the camera and I walked to it. Oh my god. I don't even know how to get on from the front. No way. So I had to go around, go to the back, and then I climb up. Once you're up, you're like, wow, there's no way I can walk on it. Maybe when I was a young little child girl, yeah, in my teens, I can do it. But now, no, I'm not gonna risk my old body, old bones. I still want to use them. So, and then it's like, I literally just crawl. I don't know how I crawl on it. And then I just hang on it like a bear. Hug the tree and hang on it. But man, that tree is solid, big, like rock. That's why I love big trees. And anytime I see a tree, I just cannot resist not climbing it. Today I got going very early. I got to the park surely before noon. That's like early because today is gonna be another 75-degree hot day. But today it's got this nice breeze. Yeah. And then when I got to the park, and this time I've learned, I've checked out all the spots already. I know where the spots are. And then today I decided I want to just park next to the gate, the office. That's where I can get the SCC Santa Clara website, not website, connection. That way I have Wi-Fi. Most of the area of the park, there's no connection. Even with my 5G thing, it won't. But I might park right next to the office at the gate. Strong connection, stronger than at home, my room. So that's the way I park from now on. That way I can always go to my car and then when I park, after I park, I decided I want to eat my second half of my breakfast. So I look at the view of the mountain, and then just while eating my second half of the breakfast, oatmeal and pumpkin. Lately I've been into this Japanese pumpkin. I've been really liking it. So yeah, I enjoy it. It was like, and then I take my time, and then after that I just slowly get changing to my shorts, and then I say, okay, I'm gonna do one loop with the mountains before it gets too hot. So I finished the loop, and then I decided maybe I should do another loop just within the park, the flats. But then I saw this tree. I said, okay. I said, I'll do the loop inside the park later. Let me climb this tree. So after I climbed this tree, I said, okay. This is a group camping, group picnic area. There's nobody here sitting at all. That's what I love about this park. The weekday, it's like, oh, it's a sanctuary for me. Sanctuary, yes. And then I decided, let me have tea, and then I decided, okay, let me just do my chatting here while looking at the tree. See, the lake is right there. I was gonna do my chat at the lake. Now later I just go sit at the lake. But here I just sit by the tree. Trees, lakes, all make me happy and at ease. I sit here, so nice. I like walk with the roof just made me sweat just walking around, because I really do it like non-stop walk. I remember when I first started this loop at the beginning, I was huffing and puffing. Oh my God, now I think like how useless I am. Now it's like easy. Now I'm definitely on a daily basis, I'm averaging about 4 miles a day. And this is a good distance for me. Is keep my knees and lower back aches in control. They're still there, but it's okay. It's manageable. It's livable, copable. I can cope with it, live with it, no problem. So yeah, I'm keeping these. Oh, look at how gorgeous that tree look. Oh, the power of the big tree. It takes them years to grow like that. Oh, it's just so nice to have my my park is right there. It's like about 200 meters. So there's no problem for me to carry my big teapot and then drink here. And the sun is coming through, but then it's so nice and shady. Oh my God, lots of little squirrels, birds. Oh my goodness, how fortunate I am, how blessed I am to have these. Now I literally feel like I'm at home here. It's my daytime home here. And at sundown, and then I leave and come back the next day. Wow, that is, I'm like so thankful for myself, for creating a new routine for myself that completely sustainable, completely cost me nothing. Oh wow, the $48 for a year every shot. How? Let me do the math. It's like so not even less than $2 a day. 365 a day, so not even $1 a day. My God, I'm Chinese, cheap. I live very frugal. Yeah, don't go out to eat. Well, in my karaoke days, I did buy quite a bit of clothes and boots, shoes, but all that I put it behind. I no longer buy clothes and shoes. Period. Maybe I might buy more shoes for walking. This one I bought it before my Thailand trip, so it's like almost 2 years now. It's the Sketch. Oh my, Stretch. It's still really good. Look at it's like still very good tracks on it. Yeah, it's like very good. I like it. It keep me walking very comfortable. Yeah. See, another day, another little surprise for me was going to do my chat at the lake, and now I'm chatting right next to this gorgeous big tree. I'm just so happy. Things like that, things that I create for myself makes me happy. I don't need anybody else to make me happy. Well, if my two sons they do something nice, yeah, make me happy too. But that's okay. I don't expect that it happens. It doesn't happen. I still have myself to rely on to make myself happy, okay, peaceful, content, full of joy. Oh, the birds. Yesterday was full of turkey day. Today is big tree, and then see so many little squirrels like crazy. They're the happiest squirrels. digging so many holes on the ground. Oh, here the wood chipper somewhere. You know the tree, anybody can get a chance, go hug a tree and then go touch the big tree like this. This tree, it feel like rock. It doesn't feel like wood. It completely feel like rock. As hard as cement. Let me take you guys for I want to show this crazy tree. It's so beautiful, the surrounding here. This park is nice. During the week, it's like nobody. And toilet, washroom is right there. It's so convenient. Oh. Oh, look at the tree. They're like so solid. Look at how big they are. Wow. Look at. Goodness, like I was holding on to these little cracking, even this cracking skin. You can't even crack them. I completely trust them. I hold it's like rock climbing. I just hold on to this to come on. It's like absolutely amazing. Look at this. Look at that. This is how I get on from the back. And then come to here. Wow. Look at this is the one that was holding on to get on. It's a big push. Look at how, my God. Oh my goodness. It's so gorgeous, this tree. I cannot express to you how my love for trees are so deep, undivided, royal. I'm a royal tree lover. Most of the trees, the big ones, usually for me is a love at first sight. Look at even this. Oh, look at that. The interwriting of it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This kind of tree, I don't know what kind of tree is it. The branches is so thick. Well, right now it's in the winter. Oh, it's some kind of pine tree, I think. Yeah. Oh, that's so beautiful. The thing about loving nature is you have to respect nature. What do I mean, respect? What I means, look at that. Don't want the sun. There you go. There. What I mean is we have to respect nature, right? So, for one, you don't leave your trees behind you. That's the basic common sense, but a lot of people don't get it. I think that's because the way the parents raise them. If you don't raise them, your kids like that, you just throw away garbage anywhere, then they won't. Because you do it that way, then your kids will do it that way. So it's hard to learn if you don't grow up with a habit. Don't leave your trays, the garbage behind, or don't throw trash anywhere you go, just out through the window or whatever. So that's the number one when you talk about respect nature. And then also another thing about nature had the bad, the good, the ugly, everything, right? You have to don't take risk. Like for example, when I see that tree, I want to climb it, but I'm not gonna risk my whole body to walk and stand up and walk, because I will not guarantee myself that I can do that. Then don't, right? So you don't take a risk like that. But so many people got injured in nature. So many people not only injured, they lost their life. Actually, the other day I was just watching a story on YouTube. YouTube have everything, but anyway, I just watched this young couple in their 20 something, not even 30. They are like high profile IG, Instagram influencer. How got personal trainer from Los Angeles, someone decided they wanted to conquer Mount Everest without ever training it. And then they got sponsorship. Like the sponsor is the one that, in a way, killed them, I think. Yeah, because they're high profile, right? So yeah, they want to sponsor and then put money in 100,000, but they have to submit. Like anything in life, right? To submit is easy in a way compared to make it down the summit and alive. The whole story I don't need to go through, but basically there is so many chance, opportunities, warning signs that they should just turn around and not submit. But then because of the sponsorship, blah, 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 all this ego in themselves, oh, we have to, blah, blah. They submit, but it's like about, right after that, they don't even have enough oxygen to, when they go to summit. They know that, but they are like completely cannot listen to any advice. Even the shepherds tell them, you don't have enough. You have enough oxygen to summit, but you will not have any oxygen left at all, zero, to come down. Coming down is harder, way harder. So it's like seconds, minutes after they summit, they collapse and die right there on the Mount Everest, like so many. But anyway, you have to respect nature. You cannot just completely, it's such ignorance. Like to let your ego take over common sense and die. Such a waste of life. I don't feel proud for them at all. Just to really satisfy your ego. Oh, that's dumb. That's ignorance. You have to respect nature. Yeah. Otherwise, nature would take your life. Simple as that. I want to enjoy nature forever. So I respect it. I go by its rule. Especially in my 60s. Look at just over 2 months. When I start, when do I start? I start right after Halloween, right? So I start in November. So now it's 3 months, over 3 months. First month, I don't listen to my body. I have all this ego in my mind. So I want to go to Monument Mission P, blah blah blah, all that. 8 hours, all that I come when I first started. Then, excuse me, my burp. And then second month, I slowed down, and I completely realized my body is telling me, you can't keep it going. If you want to come to nature every day, dear, you have to listen to your body. And I did, and I do, and I will. I have come down to my reasonable zone, kind of like comfort zone for myself. I want to enjoy it on a daily basis, then I don't go over 4 miles. And I don't do hills every day. Every other day I will do a hill. And the hill has to be no more than 20 minutes. I respect my body because you know what, I don't want my body to run like a flood. Woo! Flood out the whole thing. I want to run like a little stream, like lots of trail here. There's this trail. When I first started today, it was just along the little stream. I love the sun, the wood in the woods shady with a stream run, just walking alongside. I want to be like that kind of stream. Little streams, small, but they will last. I want my body to be like that. Not like a roaring water flood the whole thing. No. Maybe when I was young, but not nowadays. I respect my body. Listen to my body. That way I can enjoy it every day. Maybe once in a while, if I'm in the mood, I would do a hardcore, real hiking. Maybe, maybe not. I know what that do is you have to take 1 week to recover. But why? I don't need that ego. I'm not competing with anybody. I'm not even competing for myself. All I need to do is keep myself happy. I'm not living for other people. I'm living for myself. Making myself satisfied. I only want to satisfy myself. So I listen to my body, respect my body. I want to enjoy nature. I respect nature. Yeah, the bird said, yeah, listen to that old woman. She's talking to herself every day. Listen to her. She come here every day. Just sitting there, talk to herself. I think she like it. Yes, buddy. I like it. Look at my gorgeous tree. Look at that. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. It's not strict. It's crooked, slate. Oh, just like that pizza tower. Leaning in a way. But yet, it doesn't fall. It's still growing and grows so strong. Still so beautiful. That's the beauty of nature. Wow, the birds. Oh. Oh my God, the birds singing. It's just so amazing. Wow. Today, actually, I'm gonna do one more loop, one part, and I'm gonna head out quite earlier because I still want to go to my gym, do a hot sauna, and then go home and then finish everything early. Because tomorrow I have to get up at 5:30 a.m. Better get going so I can beat the traffic. Thanks again, my leg. Every day, You're my best companion that take me to nature. Every day I'm looking forward to here. It's my house. It's my house.